future millionaires. We back with another banger. Hey, I know y'all been missing me over here, man, but we are officially back. We got a very, very big announcement for Genius Coin. Shout out to everybody that stayed down, that did not doubt us, you know what I'm saying? But we are officially listed on CoinMarketCap. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with the channel. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm. Man, they pushed us out, but we finna break right back in it. We got our book of the day, Invented, Sell It, Bank It by Lori Greiner, star of ABC's TV show Shark Tank. This book is fire, y'all. I recommend it, man. Check it out. The link is it's on Amazon, and my book is available as well. The link is in the description section, so check that out. Don't forget to get your free stocks from Webull, crypto.com. There's a lot of free stuff in the description section, so check that out. But for what everybody came to see, you know, it's official, y'all. You know, we can refresh this. We are here. COINMARKETCAP.com. Eventually, you know, the biggest of the biggest exchanges are on the way, but you know what I'm saying, this is a very good start. Shout out to the team for making this happen. You know, it's a lot of work being done behind the scenes. A lot of people were impatient, you know, but I want to, you know, tell y'all, Warren Buffett, you know, says this, you know, the stock market is basically impatient money transferring to patient money. Do not become a panic seller. You don't lose any money if you do not sell. If the price drops, hold your position. Now remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence, do your own research. Do not invest more than you're willing to risk, because this is crypto, y'all. Crypto should only be a certain percentage of your overall investment portfolio in the first place. You know what I'm saying? So don't put your rent money, don't put your light money, don't put, you know, make sure you got food on the table, everything you need. The kids are good and all that. But, you know, I would be adding to my position if I was y'all right here. So we got, you know, the coin market cap chart right here. So we'll go to the other chart on PoolCoin real quick. We'll do a little technical analysis in this video, but first I want to, you know, welcome the new people that, you know, will see this video that might not have purchased into Genius Coin yet. Right now would definitely be a good time. So a quick rundown. So welcome to Genius. You know, we have a Genius wallet coming, automatic LP, RFI static rewards. That basically means you earn Genius just for holding. You don't have to do anything. It doesn't matter if the price is going up. It doesn't matter if the price is going down. When people sell, you make money because you're getting more Genius coins added to your wallet automatically. So you can't beat that, y'all. So quickly, let me do an update on the roadmap for a few of y'all that aren't sure where we are heading, but this is what's about to happen. Of course, you know, there's some finer details that, you know, we can't bring out all the way yet, but I will release a few details also. Y'all that are inside my private stock market game group, y'all already know about this, but we have over 100 community members that are ready to help start coming up with our first community developed ideas, you know, or where we'll take Genius Coin. So this is going to be big, y'all. You know, I always tell y'all, you can tell or determine if a coin has a lot of potential by the community behind it. I can say Genius Coin will be one of the strongest communities of 2021. I believe it. You know, we got the whole, you know, StockGo army behind it, the entire, you know, Genius army. You know, we're all one right here. So it's going to be big, you know, and the team is doing their thing as well, you know. So we got a lot of people reaching out to the channel. I appreciate y'all. Man, this is going to be crazy, y'all. We just broke over that 10,000 subscriber mark. We got a lot of new interviews that'll be coming to the channel. I'll be doing some live call-in sessions where we can review tokens and, you know, do some other things like that on air. Also, we have some live, like, you know, I don't really want to call it a convention because it'll, you know, you might think too big, but like, you know, some workshops, maybe seminars type of things coming in the works that, you know, might be very genius, you know. And also I'll be having a mastermind session coming up soon, so contact me if you want more information on that mastermind. But here's the roadmap. So the announcement: we have hired people to make this project possible and made deals with investors for them to buy when listed on pancakeswap. The main point was to make it a secret project and let the team work. Now, a lot of these meme coins, the coins that come out of the woodworks and just blow up, you know, Genius Coin is only about 6 days old. Most coins by the 6th day, they die out. Genius Coin hasn't even, it's just getting started. You know, we just got listed on CoinMarketCap right now, you know. So, you know, be patient. Don't be impatient investor, because if you're impatient, you'll become an emotional investor. And once you become emotional, you'll sell in the red, or you'll sell it while the price is low. The name of the game is to buy it while the price is low and sell it while it's high, you know. But this is a project I believe in long term. So this one I would just hold on to if I were you. So the next step, Q3, that was for quarter 2 2021. So Q3 that we're about to enter, the big thing. So dev team will start working on the platform and deliver it by the end of Q3. We will also create a foundation which belongs to Genius, deals with exchanges like KuCoin, Binance will be done. Come on, y'all, connect the dots. I try to look at all these dots here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all better connect them, man. We going up. But I try to tell y'all that, you know, this team means business, you know, so you got to, you know, read closely here. It says deals with exchanges like KuCoin, Binance will be done. Imagine what will happen to this price once that happens. Do you want to wait for that and buy then, or do you want to slowly dollar cost average into Genius Coin over time? So it's a smart investment, and you're not over risking yourself, and you're buying it over time through these dips. Or do you want to buy it at the top, man? I would just suggest, you know, if it was me, I would be getting in right now. I'll be backing the truck up, loading it up with as much as I can get, because it's going up. You know, just be patient. Do not risk more than you're willing to lose, because this is crypto. We could be seeing swings of 60 to 80%. And then guess what? Just because it dips down 60%, the very next day it can go right back up 60%. Normally, we don't see that with stocks. But in crypto, that can happen, y'all. So just be patient. So the community, it's us. So the platform will be launched, and community will have the power over Genius projects that will take place in the real world. So this is coming for quarter 4. We already got the front line of the army lining up. Over 100 people that are not playing games when it comes to Genius Coin. They gonna make something shake. I'm telling you. Y'all don't want to doubt this. You know, we already had a couple of doubters. They got shook off already. I believe we shook the weak hands loose already. I think if you still have held this project from pre-sale or whenever you got in, if you've been holding it this whole time and you haven't sold, I think you in with us for the long run, man. So, you know, suit up, boot up. You know, there's gonna be a journey, but it will be well worth it if you ask me. I truly believe so. So the platform is coming. You know, imagine what happens when we have this platform. We can put these projects in place. This might become the new standard. You know, we see a lot of groundbreaking or disruptive types of technology come into these tokenomics or into these that are merged into the crypto. This might be one of those things that a lot of other cryptos start to imitate, if you ask me, because it's genius. So the real world, after a community vote, projects will start to be settled in the real world. Meeting with all the holders will be planned all over the world to make things happen. The real world will know about Genius. Hey, we got some very big things in the works with this, and to be honest, y'all, I got some even bigger projections than I think even anybody knows for this part right here, because this is going to be revolutionary to be able to have something in the real world where you can recognize other Genius holders. You know, we don't have that familiarity with any of the other cryptos or tokens that we're invested in. You know, you don't know any of the other investors. You know, here we already have a private community where a lot of our investors know each other by name. But imagine when we know each other by, actual face, and, we've met and shook hands. That's going to be a whole nother level. And what that would do is create an even stronger community. So that's coming quarter 1, 2022. Trust me, I have a lot of celebrity connections, and things like that will be, possibly tied into this. So y'all do not want to miss this. Stay down for the come up. So shout out to the squad. We got the team right here, the Genius CEO. We got our marketer, our developer, our specialist, as well as our investor. So y'all come here to the page at genius-coin.com. Come, check out everybody. If you're new to this, if y'all already been in the project, y'all know we held our first AMA already. We have a voice chat scheduled very soon. So I'll be dropping this video, so make sure y'all share this everywhere. Let's get everybody aware of this. Now for the PooCoin charts, let's do a little technical analysis. So if you're in my group, I already told y'all, I'll be dropping a video today on this. So we have a couple indicators here. We have Genius Coin here on the PooCoin chart. We are at that 2.2 mark. You see we broke all the way up to yesterday. We went over our pre-sale price. which we hit a high of about 3.4. Yeah, about 3.4. So, y'all, this is a support right here. So let me show you why. And this, this is not guaranteed, but this is what's likely to happen because I like to follow indicators. So our indicators, let me explain. This first one here, this is called a Bollinger Band. So a Bollinger Band basically signifies when a price becomes expensive and when the price is cheap. So right now, you see we fell along here, right when I was getting ready, right before I let my people know that, you know what I'm saying? It's time. So we started to have a slight pullback after we, came out the dirt real quick. We came from the bottom. We rose, from the ashes. And, the army has began to rise up. And now we had, a slight pullback. Let me explain to you why. I got to come out and zoom out and give y'all a big picture because I tell y'all, this is a crypto class. This is not just, a 3-4 minute crypto video. You're going to learn something here. And, even though I'm the ambassador of this coin, I'm going to, break the technical analysis down for y'all the same way I would for any other coin. It's no different. So here we are. You got to remember, we dropped, from pre-sale price. A lot of people mistakenly see this chart. Let me explain. So let me break something down. The people who bought in pre-sale, this wasn't, these people. Pre-sale price was here. So pre-sale was around right here at 3. Okay, let me keep pulling it down right about here. So this is where we were pre-sale price, just about right here. Okay, so anybody that bought in pre-sale, this is where you got in. Now what happened was, the price dumped. We had some whales dump, but the price fell. A few doubters, paper hands doubt right here, which is fine. But then came, a support area here. And I'll go in closer I'll zoom in here. We're on the 15-minute chart too, by the way. So then we started to get a support. People, became confident about it, bought the price up. The people who've been trapped in since here, who were, and I wouldn't even call it trapped, but because it's only been, at this point, it was only 5 days yesterday. Today is the 6th day. So the people that were in and were panicky and, they didn't have, the ability to stay in that long, I'll say, they got out at the very first chance that they got. So look over here. So they were in. What they got, the price dipped under. They couldn't get out profitably. Couldn't get out profitably. What happened? The price began to go up. Soon as it broke past the point where those people that were in this whole time that they can get out profitably, the paper-handed people, they sold out. So that's fine. We'll let them get out. That's fine. We want them out. And guess what? We'll make them pay for it if they decide to get back in later, especially those whales that dumped. So hold the price. Let's keep, buying it up on this dip right here. You see we're having a solid support. Now, what I was explaining with these Bollinger Bands, as the price moves up along this Bollinger Band, that means the price is very bullish or it's becoming, and it's also becoming expensive to buy. So once it starts to hit, and this is, if you want this fully broke down to you with all the technical terms, get my course. My crypto course is available right now at this second. You can reach out to me, let me know you want the course, and I can email it to you right away. But, just a quick breakdown. Once it reaches up here, that means the price is becoming expensive. People will begin to sell and take profit. So the price dropped down right here, understandably. Now, what I began to recognize is we hit the lower Bollinger Band. We started to ride along the lower Bollinger Band, which signifies that the price is cheap now. So what happened was people who know how to read the chart say, hey, this looks like a discount right now. I should be buying in. So they bought in, established the support right here. And this is we're still at that support. So I highly recommend y'all to get in. So also we have, at this point, the RSI was below a 30. So it was underneath this level here. So anything under a 35 is considered oversold. Anything above a 70% is considered overbought. So once we hit that overbought level, it's healthy to have a slight pullback. So don't panic when you see a pullback like this. If you see it just continue to shoot to the moon, then that can be something that you can be afraid of because that means it won't last too long. Yeah, if you plan on just taking profit and getting out, then yeah, maybe that's good then. But if you want to see long-term consistent growth, then you want to, stay down for the come up. But the RSI became oversold. So this is what y'all want to watch for, the relative strength index. Once it hits this point, which is, where I let everybody know, hey, this looks like a bargain. This looks like a excellent buying opportunity. This is where you should get in at. Also, we can look down here at the MACD, which is the moving average convergence divergence, which basically just this is what we're looking for over here. Remember, if you want all these broken down to you, and it's a lot more indicators that we could be using, VWAPs, moving averages, and things like that. We got the SAR up there as well, but you want to wait for this line to cross over, and that lets you know that, you know, it's a buying time. But right now, I would be a little bit in front of that signal because we have a few other indicators letting us know, like already the volume is picking up, you know. I say it's a good time if you ask me. But let's see what else we got here to cover. We need to get the website up here too as well. So I'm pretty sure, you know, somebody from the team gonna check this out. Let's see if we can get the website on here so people can click straight through to it. But yeah, this is looking good if you ask me. Keep loading up on those dips. Remember, do not risk more than you're willing to lose. So that way, if you see the price dip, you don't panic. You just like, oh, that's nothing. You know, I already know it'll go back up. You know, imagine if you would have loaded up down here. Imagine if you would have just put in, you know, as much as you could have once it dipped all the way to the bottom. You would have been up right now nicely. So remember, this is not financial advice. This is financial education, financial entertainment, whatever you want to call it. But, you know, you always got to do your own research. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Matter of fact, make sure y'all know, just follow us on Twitter. That'll be in the description section of this video. Also, the Telegram and the website will be in the description section of this video. Let me know if you are in Genius Coin. How long do you plan on investing in Genius Coin? This might be a 5-year plus for me. You know, guaranteed I'll be in this for a year plus for sure. But this seems like a 5-year plus for me. This seems like this is another one of those Shiba Inus, because what are we, you know, would you rather be in Shiba Inu before it blew up, or, you know, after you heard all the success stories and then jump in? You know what I'm saying? This is class, y'all. So connect the dots. Again, I'm DecemberDeMarco. Hit that thumbs up like button if you already haven't. Appreciate y'all again, and we are out.